Sophie and Steve here, we're the Honest Adventures YouTube channel, and today we're back with another video. We're at this gorgeous Scottish loch.
By the looks of it, I think we've got it all to ourselves. So the plan is we're going to hike around the edge of the loch and we're going to find a lovely place to camp for the night.
So this loch that we've come to is in a national forest. It looks absolutely gorgeous and we're on like a trail at the minute, so I'm hoping we can find a place off the trail where we can camp and try a little bit of fishing.
We've just got into March now, so the sunset's a bit later, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Which is perfect for wild camping. Perfect for us.
Yeah.
And the weather is genuinely absolutely gorgeous. Apparently it's not gonna go below 0 tonight.
No, and it's hopefully not going to rain, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
That looks like a perfect spot down there. Should we go and check it out? Now this looks like a good spot.
The ground is not very even.
It's not, is it?
Like really not. I don't actually think we could set a tent up here.
No, it is a bit on a level, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should we go and have a further look? So I think we're going to go and have a look, see if we can find another spot a bit further along the loch.
It's 3:30 now, and the sun is just starting to go down. I think we've probably got about 2.5 hours until it's fully down.
Yeah.
As long as we find a spot in the next hour, half an hour, I think we should be fine for daylight. I'm hoping that there's basically like a little flat spot right next to the loch with some trees dotted around. That's what I've got in my head, so that's what we're going to try and find, isn't it?
So we're going to explore this woodland and see if we can find a place to camp.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh my god. And we just went down a big hill. So I think, have we got to go back up the hill?
Yeah.
Oh.
We've got to somehow try and get back up there. And we basically just felled it. It's a little bit slippy there.
So we're just climbing back up this massive hill to get back on the road to hopefully find a different spot where we can camp. God, this is a good workout for your legs. I think we're at the worst of it.
Oh my god.
So I think we've found a path that leads us back down to the loch, because we've just been going uphill and more uphill and my legs are knackered.
Is it getting caught?
Go down a bit. Down
Okay.
a bit more. Oh, you've caught something. You've caught something. It's not a fish. It's the only thing we've caught so far.
Is it there? Oh, clear.
You're clear. You made it.
We've got a little bit of a problem. It is 5:30 and we still haven't found a spot.
We found a spot earlier and we're going to go there, but we are losing daylight, so we might not get a chance to do any fishing this evening. We'll do some tomorrow. Oh my god.
You good?
Yeah.
Stand on my foot.
Yeah, made it.
53?
Yeah, made it.
This is treacherous. Made
What happened?
it. I just slid down the hill.
You ask me how I really feel. The best things in life's for free. We are all part of the deal. You either tie it down or let it be. Oh, but every time it goes to hell, you figure out you might as well sit back and enjoy the show. Might be the end for all we know. Ooh, hey. Never mind what people say. You better burn them, fade away.
Should we heat one up first, then the other?
Shall we?
Yeah.
I reckon that's a better idea.
Yeah. So we had to eat the food really, really quickly because it was struggling to cook, and it's so cold.
I think we basically sacrificed a pan in order to cook that food because it's completely black at the bottom now. So I think that pan is it's definitely never going to see the light of day again.
A lot colder than what I thought it was.
It's so cold.
Like, I thought, oh, it's March now, it'd be a lot warmer, but it's pretty decent.
I think that's why it took so long to heat the food up, but then in essence we just kept it on for so long it's burnt.
Yeah.
We've had lukewarm burnt food.
Yeah.
We're really cold, so we're going to get in the tent.
Yeah. So we've just got in the tent and got all cozy because it was so cold outside.
So cold. We're still going to have a hot chocolate, so I'm just going to do it in the little side bit of the tent. And we've got some chocolate eclairs as well, so hot chocolates and chocolate eclairs.
I can't wait for that.
Gas is out. Whoa, fire. Okay. Flasky flasks, and in there we have a nice little cheeky biscuit from a Scottish hotel that we stayed in. And a little hot chocolate from the same hotel that we stayed in. So we thought it would be perfect for camping, so we brought it along.
And what else have we got?
Nice.
The main
main
thing that we have.
2 chocolate eclairs.
Oh, I can't wait to eat them.
Oh my god. Chocolates. Ting.
Look at them.
Oh, so good. I've had our eclairs and we've been sipping away at our hot chocolate. Very nice, isn't it?
It is.
Just what you need in this kind of weather. We're both knackered because of the hike, so I think we're going to have an early night, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can't wait to get to bed, can you?
I'm already in bed already.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We slept for about 12 hours last night,
Yeah, I think about 12 hours.
which we never normally do at home. And it was pretty cold.
Yeah, it was really cold. We ended up waking up quite a lot during the night. But it's time to get up now, so I think we're going to get out of bed properly, make a cup of coffee and start the morning, see what the day's got to offer.
Yeah, hopefully we can do some fishing.
Nice and fresh.
Yeah.
A nice fresh start.
No, I think we can actually do some fishing.
Yeah, why not?
It's a little bit I mean, we fished in like 60-mile-an-hour winds.
We did, yeah.
So this.
We got some funny looks as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that smells amazing.
Does it?
Smell that.
Oh, that smells good.
Smells like proper coffee.
Smells really good.
Oh, that's really nice. That's really, really, really nice.
It was nice, strong.
It's nice and nice.
So I don't think we showed you guys where we are camped last night because it was getting dark. We didn't have much time. But we've chosen this spot under this huge tree. And even our little tent's like under the branches of the tree. And it looks lovely. So we're just on the edge of this forest, like all over there's massive trees. So we're just in like the edge of the forest by this loch. It was lovely. Had a little bit of shelter from the wind. And if it rains, it'll be okay. And then there was definitely owls last night as well, which was so cute.
Yeah, there were some owls, weren't
Yeah, yeah, they were really loud as well.
there? Yeah, they were so cute. You can get an idea of how big this tree is. Look at the size of it. This beats any hotel.
Definitely. Okay, so we've just set up our fishing rods and we're going to give it a go. Though it's not the best conditions at the minute and there's a few trees in the way, but I think we can do it.
We had a look on some videos and they said with these that we've got attached, spinners, you've got to keep the tension on. So keep it pulling back so it doesn't sink and get caught. So that's what we're going to try and do.
Oh, caught something.
Keep going, keep going. Hey! You got what? Lockweed. Nice.
Ah.
Catch of the day. Oh, we can put that in the pan later on. Really good. There we go. Oh, so annoying.
She's got the monster lure. Are you ready, darling?
I am. I really hope you catch something.
I will.
Oh.
Oh, what happened?
That's amazing. That genuinely has made my day. That was so funny.
Why did it not go? I don't get it.
Oh.
Oh!
Right, we've come to the end of our video. We didn't catch anything, but we're not going to give up. We are going to catch a fish. We're definitely going to catch a fish, aren't we?
I hope so,
Yeah.
yeah. You will see us catch a fish in some video in the future. But thank you so much for watching. We've really enjoyed this trip. If you've enjoyed it as well, head over to our channel. We've got more videos like this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.